Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you that how you can fix 7 days to die game, any kind of crashing, lagging or the freezing issues. Guys, first thing you just need to make sure that you have the minimum or the recommended requirement to run this game. If you have this requirement and if your game is still crashing, then this is the problem, so let's see how you can fix it. Guys, first right click on your taskbar and open up the task manager. You can also go to the window search and type here the task manager and it will appear on the top, so just open it. And guys, here you just need to close all the background application, because when these applications are running, this will consume a lot of RAM or the CPU, which will cause your game crash. After that, just click on the startup apps you are seeing on the top. And guys, here you just need to disable all your background application, because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically without your permission, cause your lot of CPU or the RAM usage. And when your RAM or the CPU is more consuming, your game will crash obviously. So you just need to disable these all, and now we are going to set the high performance power plan for our PC. So go to the window search and type in the control panel and just open it and select the view bar to the large icons, and after that just click on the power option you are seeing here. Now on the left hand side you will see the create a power plan option. Just click on that, then click on the high performance if you have the PC. If you have the laptop, then you can select the balance, then click on the next, and then just create the high performance power plan for your PC. This will prevent any kind of lag or the shutting problems. Then go to the Windows search and type in the game mode settings and just open it. And guys, here you just need to make sure that this game mode setting is on. So when it was on, this will prevent any kind of the processes, any kind of useless processes on your PC. And when you are on the game, this will close all the processes. And then go to the Windows tab by the graphic settings and just open it. And guys, here you just need to set your game to the high performance. Then just click on that game, then click on the option, then just select it to the high performance. To add the game, just click on the browse option you are seeing on the top, and just here you just need to locate the folder your game is installed. So just go to the Steam folder, then just open up the common folder, then just open up the game folder, then just select your game launcher, then just click on the add option, then just click on your game, then just select it to the high performance. After that, guys, now we are going to increase our number of processors. Whenever your game need more CPU to run, so your maximum number of processors will be used. To do this, go to the Windows tab by the system configurations and just open it, and just go to the boot, then just click on the advanced options, then just select the number of processors, then just here just select the maximum number of processors you have. If you are seeing here the 4, 8 or 16 or the 32, any value, then just select it, then just click on apply, click on the OK, then just open up the Steam and just launch your game. And I hope sure any kind of lagging, crashing or the freezing problem will be fixed. And if your problem is still not fixed, then just restart your PC. And after the restart, if your problem is still not fixed, then you just need to lower your FPS in your game and also lower your resolution in your game. Then just launch the game, and I hope this will fix your problem. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.